Welcome to our channel Traveling. We are Shivi and Saket, a travel couple on a once in a lifetime journey, and today's vlog is a big one. After battling snowstorms, strong winds, and zero visibility, we finally made it to North Cape, the northernmost point of mainland Europe. It wasn't easy, but the feeling is absolutely worth it. Come along as we take you through this wild Arctic drive, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real road trip adventures with us. Hi, good morning guys. Like you can see, our whole car is like covered in snow. Almost everything is covered in snow here. Looks like the weather has cleared up. You can see the clear blue sky. So yeah, we are happy to see that. But yes, we'll now try to get ready, have some breakfast and then start our road trip. We'll be staying here only for tonight also, so we have to come back here after we do our road trip to North Cape. So it's gonna be a to and fro journey. So yeah, we'll keep you up. It's a bit colder outside, so we will just start preparing our breakfast and getting ready. So yes, when we start our trip, we'll show you around and the whole road journey, how it looks. So yeah, stay tuned. We have not planned our further journey because first we thought that we will be going towards another route, but weather was not good yesterday, so we decided maybe we'll just return back on the same route. But now today the weather is again nice, so yes, we'll decide tonight what we want to do, and as per that we'll go along the route, like whichever route we choose tonight. We have started on our road trip. Now we are in the car and we are going towards North Cape. The weather is looking really nice today. We are so happy because yesterday it was snowing all day long and there is a lot of snow. So we cleared our car, like a lot of snow was there on the top of the car also. So we cleared that up. And now we have also packed our lunch for the day. So we don't have to stop for lunch at least. And now we are directly going to go to the North Cape first. I think it's around 226 kilometers from here. And probably in next 3.5 hours we are targeting to reach there, and hopefully we don't have to stop on the way for the charging because it looks like it can go that way. In winters charging is like it's getting the batteries discharging very fast. We have to take multiple stops here, but yeah, today it looks like, because we charged yesterday till 100% in the night, so today it looks like that we can go this distance without stopping. So yeah, on our way back we'll be stopping at multiple spots, so we'll be showing you that also. So yeah, stay tuned and follow our journey so that you guys know where all to stop while you road trip in North Cape. So yeah, hopefully today we are going to see North Cape. Hi guys, have you ever been into a snow desert? It simply feels like that right now, that we are in a snow desert. Like everything is just pure white. Everywhere, wherever we are seeing, it's white. It's like snow blindness. That's why we have to wear our glasses. Like it's so white all around. Lot of snow, lot of snow. I have not seen this much of snow anywhere. Though I have been living in Norway for so much time, but I have not seen this much snow anytime soon. But yeah, let me show you guys how it looks. us on our way, and we are about to reach there. So this is an update for now, and we'll show you the place when we reach there. So yes, stay tuned. Guys, so we are here. As you can see, we have reached the Globe Monument on the North Cap. The weather is not in our favor. It's snowing, but yeah, still we have managed to came here and see the monument. That's one thing. There is a cafe and a small building which has some shops also. So we thought we could go there, but it's too costly and it's gonna be closed in 15 minutes. So we'll just go back to our car and drive. But yeah, you can see the monument just behind me, and yes, the drive was really beautiful. You guys are gonna see the videos and you are also gonna love it. So despite the weather here, I would suggest that you guys make this drive. You guys come to this place. It's so beautiful. The whole drive is so scenic. Like I think we have found our next favorite destination in Norway for sure, because the whole drive was so beautiful. We just love it. And yes, we completed almost 2000 kilometers coming here, and we also have to drive back to Oslo, but we are gonna be taking more scenic route this time. So yeah, probably it will be more than 2000 kilometers going back, but yes, we are gonna show you guys. So stay tuned and keep following our journey so that you know what all places to cover in Norway and how. So yeah, let's go. After exploring North Cap, we stopped at a stunning viewpoint completely blanketed in snow, but the views were absolutely breathtaking. This is our next stop on the road trip. So this is a town which is like the main spot in Nordkap, the main town of Nordkap, Honningsvær. So here we have just stopped for charging our car. This is a charging station. Just look at the view and the location of this charging spot. Like, it's so pretty and so beautiful town. So now we are gonna charge our car, and then we are gonna go this way to explore the town. Looks like it's very pretty. We are gonna find some cafe if we can find something to eat, and also like these views are so scenic. It's just that it's a bit cold here, so we'll probably go around and find some cafe to sit down for few minutes or maybe an hour. Let's see. But yeah, I'm just loving the vibe of the place. Like, it's so beautiful, it's so scenic, as you guys can see. But yeah, let's see. It's already late evening, so we also have to get back to Alta. So let's hope that our car gets charged soon, and then we can start our trip. Or see this, like, I am surprised as well as shocked, and there are so many more of them coming from that side of the road and crossing the road. We are right in the middle of the road right now. That's our car, so we stopped just to witness this. See, a lot of them are staring at me right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the zoom pictures of them. Like, they are really looking so nice. I don't know if there is some kind of migration going on or what, but a lot of them are coming from this side to this side, and like, it's crazy. I can't even count them. You can see the number. And that's a wrap on our unforgettable day at Nordkap. But the journey doesn't end here. We are taking a scenic route back to Oslo with two more national tourist routes to explore along the way. Keep watching to catch the best of Norway's landscapes, hidden gems, and all the road trip magic is still to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.